Okay, hi guys, this is the second part now, and we're gonna start adding construction lines. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn off these construction lines I've just put in because we're not actually sketching on that surface right now. We are gonna sketch on this one because we're gonna do the actual profile from a side elevation of the fuselage. So first thing is make sure we're on right, so we're bang on the side of the fuselage and you're not off kilter a little bit because you'll get slightly wrong construction lines. We know this plane is absolutely in the middle, so we're going to start sketching. So okay, so the sketch we're going to use, or the type, is called fit point spline, okay, which is a really fantastic tool. It's really easy to use. And all you do is, so we're going to click round about the beginning of the nose here. Where you start to see a major change is where I'd put another spline point. So you see right now that's kind of straight, but we'll sort that out later on. So we get to the, I would say about here, because you've got this, the curvature over the top, about here. And now what I actually might do from that point here, I might actually create a straight line. So I'm going to click that there, just end that. So I just pressed enter, and I want this straight actually. Okay, so we're going to about here. It's not going to be absolutely perfect in relation to the profile, but it's enough to get me to get started. Okay, so I'm going to do that. So that looks okay. Actually, maybe I'm just gonna delete that. I'm gonna do it again. Just do it from there. And then I'm just going to try and get, if you look at the, I know I can't point to it, but just the top of the fuselage here, just get that to about there. So stop about here. Okay. Then I'm going to go down to about there. And then here, because there's a change. Here, and then I'm just going to, then I'm going to do another fit point spline because there's a bit of curvature here. And then there. Okay. And then I'm going to hit there. So at the moment, if I turn the canvas off, yeah, you can see the profile looks absolutely nothing like what we want. But now what we're going to do is we're going to change that. So if you go into the canvas, you see there's these green balls, right? And these balls will, now I need to make sure we get the right one here. So if we, I know that's the bottom one. So let's go back. So if you click on the ball and then you'd right click and you'd put move copy, then you grab it with your left, then you'll see a little hand come. You can, oops, that's not right. I think I had two of them selected there. So there we go. So now you can see you can bend it and you can drag it and you can change your curvature. So it's dead easy. So you can see that that's okay. So I'm going to hit return, so that'll freeze that part. Now you're probably going to have to go back to this one after you start messing about with the other ones, but it's actually really not that hard. So I'm just going to pull that a little bit tighter down there. Go back to this one. Back to this one. You want this quite close here because there's quite a curve change there. We're going to take this one. And return. So you can see I'm moving it. It's only moving on the left here. It's not moving the right because the right was a straight line that I used. So that'll stay straight. So you want this though to match that straight line just here. So you don't have a massive curvature change over the top. Okay. The back part is fine. Now we just need to change this one. I'm going to grab this ball down here first. Do that. Okay, so we're going to finish that sketch for a second. I'm going to turn off the canvas, and now you can see the difference. Now you probably, I can see here, this looks actually like it's a little bit too high in comparison to the rest of it, so you can move it down. That probably looks a little bit better. Okay. Anyways, for the purpose of this, it's fine. Okay, so that does the construction lines for the side of the fuselage. Okay, the next one will be the top elevation. Okay, thanks.